We could watch the glow get closer and closer, and then all of a sudden the flames appeared over the top there, and you could see all these houses light up. It's mainly bush and all that between all the homes. It's, unkept. There's eucalyptus trees, which have that, fluid that ignites. Um, just a lot of dry brush. Only twice since I've lived here in this building for 43 years have I ever seen it come down this ridge and ignite everything.
I woke up and she was yelling that we need to get out of here. And across the canyon, the flames were just crazy. So we gathered our pets, our essentials, and living here for 19 years, you have a plan.